that was my third set. My first set was at a different playground in this community, and I'm doing my walk-in while our sourdough bread bakes. 100% whole wheat that actually I helped make to this time is in the oven. So I'm heading back, but just look at, with the wind chill it's very cold still, but yay hey for sun and blue skies. Come on, spring. Anyway, whenever you can, especially when we have a nice day, well maybe it's warmer where you are, get out and get your grounding and nature time, sunshine, get your heart rate up, get some exercise, good for the soul. And I better watch where I'm stepping. Kind of a lot of debris from these recent winds. So, yeah, just thought I'd get on here. I already posted my breakfast. I did my own little training routine. I did a few chin-ups, several sets of squats, some push-ups, hanging V-ups. I'm kind of going solo today. All this wind has given Don a bit of a wind cold invasion, and he worked several days at the personal training studio where he works part-time, and they picked up extra shifts, and the owner keeps that place like an ice box. So he's down for the count for now. I'm sure he'll be fine by tomorrow. Just warming up. Made him some of our ume ban show kudzu tea. Very medicinal, by the way, when you get run down this time of year. The seasonal changes, these winds, that's what, according to Chinese medicine, brings the wind cold invasion, which can turn to wind heat if you don't catch it in time. So check out my video on how to make it, or go to my website if you prefer to read. And have a great day. Okay, this is my lunch/dinner. A little different than normal for this time of year, especially because I am having a salad again. I'm just very low on greens. So I had some this morning. I didn't want to use up the rest of the collards until we had a chance to go buy some more, although I do have broccoli. Anyway, this is what I went with. It was romaine lettuce, celery, a few chickpea noodles for some protein and fiber, walnuts, balsamic vinaigrette that I actually bought at the store, sea salt, pepper, a little bit of maple syrup, and more hemp oil. I think that's it. The half apple and a half orange. These amazing root vegetables roasted. Oh, I just love them. This time it's rutabaga, carrot, and parsnip, and I did add a light sesame oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, garlic and onion powder, and rosemary, dried rosemary, not ground though. And that is some steamed tofu. It's previously frozen. It's a really easy, great way to make tofu. You just put it in a steamer-friendly bowl, a heat-proof bowl, with some shoyu or tamari or soy sauce, a little water, and anything else you have around that you'd like. So a little bit of barbecue sauce, ketchup, Korean barbecue sauce. Actually, that's what I have today, is all of those. Toasted sesame oil, shoyu, coconut vinegar, some Korean plum, I think, something like that, barbecue sauce that I bought, and a little ketchup. Fresh loaf of 100% stone ground whole wheat sourdough bread. And there are a couple russet potatoes in the oven, so if I want to eat more or just have something later, I have them baking in case. And I did extra food prep so that we have food for the next couple days. Always a good strategy. Cook a big batch of something up so you have something, some part of your meal that's easy to do for the next day or two.